Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So today I am going to discuss about importance of sleep and its effect on weight loss. Sleep is considered as a metabolism booster. Good quality sleep is like a nutrition for your brain and for your body. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation or any type of sleep problems can lead to increased cortisol level, which is a stress hormone. An increase in cortisol level can lead to overeating or stress eating. Researcher at University of Chicago has found that sleep deprivation can lower your metabolism and lower your insulin sensitivity. Now you know how important the insulin sensitivity is for weight loss and to improve your overall metabolism. When you have a poor insulin sensitivity, your body will not respond properly to insulin. Your body will have trouble processing calories from bloodstream, and eventually these calories that are not being processed will get stored as fat in your body, which overall increases the weight and slows down your metabolism. So what this shows that poor quality sleep has a direct effect on your stress hormone cortisol, which eventually causes weight gain. Now with that being said, it doesn't mean that sleeping too long will help you lose weight. What this means is poor quality sleep will slow down your weight loss process or will cause weight gain. So make sure you follow proper sleep hygiene and try to improve your quality sleep. If you have trouble falling asleep, talk to your doctor and find out the root cause for sleep problem. This may help you improve your overall metabolism and will aid in weight loss process. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.